Hello, so here's Clubhouse. So recently they introduced a new feature, which is Clubhouse Links. And let's just go through how to use it. I'm not entirely sure yet that's what I thought before. So here on October 6th, they introduced Clubhouse Links. There is something nice about seeing people's photos and knowing who is talking. It would be great if you could just grab a private Clubhouse room link and drop in a calendar invite like you can with most video chat services. To grab a Clubhouse link, just tap plus room in the hallway, then tap share a room link. Unique link will get copied to a clipboard so you can text to a group, drop in a calendar. The room will be private, open just to the people who have link, and you'll get notified when people join. So we hope this feature will make it easier for you to have one-on-ones, for moderators to catch up, for creators to host private events. Clubhouse Links is rolling out in beta on iOS today, and we are excited to see how people use it. So themes, of course, you can go to Clubhouse and, for example, share a link to any, like copy link here. But yeah, let's just start a closed room. And just start that, and then it's a closed room, and then share room. Okay, maybe something like this, or maybe I can just tap plus. So anyways, something like this. I'd like, if you know better how to create these links from the hallway, I'm not sure. So anyways, it's just an overview.